How to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. If Face ID isn't working on your iPhone, here are a few steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check Face ID settings. 1. Open Settings and scroll down to Face ID and passcode. 2. Enter your passcode when prompted. 3. Under Use Face ID 4. Make sure Face ID is enabled for the options you need: HIA, unlocking your phone, Apple Pay, etc. Step 2. Set up an alternate appearance. 1. In the Face ID and passcode settings, tap Set up an alternate appearance. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face again. 3. If your appearance has changed slightly, e.g. new glasses, facial hair, etc., this can help improve Face ID recognition. Step 3. Reset and reconfigure. Face ID 1. If setting up an alternate appearance doesn't help, tap Reset Face ID to remove all saved facial data. 2. Tap Setup Face ID to register your face again. 3. Move your head in a circular motion as instructed to complete the setup. Step 4. Clean the Face ID sensor. The Face ID sensor is located at the top of your iPhone screen. Check for obstructions. If you have a screen protector or case covering the sensor, it might interfere with Face ID. Try removing them. Wipe the sensor, use a soft cloth to clean the area around the front camera and Face ID sensors. Step 5. Reset all settings. If Face ID still isn't working, try resetting all settings. 1. Open Settings and go to General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. 2. Tap Reset all settings. 3. This will restore all system settings, including Face ID, to their factory defaults without deleting your data. Step 6. Contact Apple support. If Face ID still doesn't work, there may be a hardware issue. To get help, 1. Open a web browser and search for Apple support. 2. Click the official Apple support link. Select iPhone, then scroll down and choose Face ID issues. 4. Sign in with your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to contact Apple support. 5. You can also schedule an appointment at an Apple store for a hardware diagnostic. Final thoughts. After following these steps, Face ID should be working again. If this guide helped, be sure to subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.